Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between Oppo A5 2020 and Samsung Galaxy A30s. And A30s comes with Exynos 7904 processor with a 4 GB of RAM, while the Oppo A5 2020 comes with a Snapdragon 665 processor with a 4 GB of RAM. Oppo A5 2020 comes with a quad cameras on the back versus a triple cameras on the A3s. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see who is going to be the fastest one. And logo came up first on the A30s, while the Oppo A5 2020 is also right behind. Both phones not comes with a 5000 mAh battery size. A30s comes with a 4000 mAh battery size, while the Oppo A5 2020 comes with a 5000 mAh battery size, which is very huge, and phone is a little bit heavy. Oppo A5 2020 is just a tiny bit faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A30s now it is also done about 3 or 4 second difference there. And Oppo A5 2020 comes with a 720p IPS LCD display versus a 720p Super AMOLED with a in-display fingerprint scanner on the A3s. So let's see the apps opening speed. So everything is closed up in the background, and first application we have is the phone dialer, little bit faster on the Oppo A5 2020. So next up is settings, and that was about the same on both phones, and mic lock, and again that was about the same on both phones. So moving on with some more application like my files, and again same result, no difference. Calculator, and that is little bit faster on the Oppo, not Oppo, Samsung A3s, and Oppo A5 2020 is right behind. Calendar, and that is little bit faster again on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. So moving on with some games applications. So first we got is the Candy Crush Saga on both phones, and that is faster on the Oppo A5 2020, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is also right behind. So next up is the Subway Surfer, and both phones comes with a water drop notch, and again Oppo A5 2020 is just a tiny bit faster there, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is also right behind. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2 on these devices, and let's see. Snapdragon 665 chip inside the A5 2020 is faster than the Exynos 7904 inside the A30s, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. And the apps opening speed is faster on the Oppo A5 2020 as well as the games application. Not a huge difference in apps opening speed. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and little bit faster on the A30s, and Oppo A5 2020 is right behind. So let's see the internet browsing speed, and I am using Samsung internet browser on the A30s versus a Google Chrome, same Wi-Fi network on both phones. Wikipedia.org, first website, and faster on the Oppo A5 2020, and A30s is right behind. And you can see, and the scrolling is very smooth on both phones, same thing with zooming in and out. So next up is the youtube.com, and faster on the Samsung Galaxy A30s. Let's see the important part of this video, the RAM management, and 4 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM on both phones. 64 GB internal storage on the A3s versus a 128 GB internal storage on the A5 2020. So very interesting to see who is better in the RAM management. And that got refresh on the Oppo A5 2020, while the A3s is very good in the RAM management right now. And we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see, and overall I would say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo A5 2020 as well as the games application faster on the Oppo A5 2020. RAM management is very good on the A30s when one application is refreshed on the Oppo A5 2020. So thank you so much for watching this speed test between Oppo A5 2020 and Samsung Galaxy A30s. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos and let me know what you guys think about this new Samsung Galaxy A30s and Oppo A5 2020. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.